Hey there! Welcome back to Skills Learning Nexus. If you're new here, we're all about making your life more efficient and fulfilling with creative tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the art of multitasking using everyday objects. Imagine effortlessly completing your daily tasks with a newfound sense of efficiency. Picture yourself cooking dinner, helping with homework, and watering the plants all at the same time. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon, so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for optimizing your daily routines. Tip number 1. Repurpose common household items. First, let's talk about repurposing common household items to maximize your time. Many items around your home can serve multiple functions. Rolling pin. Use it to roll out dough, crush crackers, or grind spices. Its versatility can save you time in the kitchen. Muffin tin. Transform a muffin tin into an organizer for small items like paper clips, earrings, or cords. This keeps your space tidy and makes it easier to find what you need. Ice cube trays. Use them to store small portions of sauces, herbs, or even jewelry. This helps in managing and organizing small items efficiently. Binder clips. These can be used to organize cables, seal open bags of food, or even hold together stacks of paper. Old toothbrushes. Use them for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, scrubbing small items, or even as an eyebrow brush. Tip number 2. Combine tasks that require similar resources. Next, consider combining tasks that require similar resources to save time and boost productivity. While waiting for your coffee to brew, use this time to meditate, practice deep breathing, or plan your day. This helps in starting your day with a clear and focused mind. During a conference call, fold laundry, tidy up your workspace, or do light exercises like stretching. This ensures you're productive even during passive activities. Cooking and cleaning. As you cook, clean up the utensils and workspace simultaneously. This reduces the mess and saves you cleaning time after cooking. Exercise while watching TV. Do simple workouts like squats, lunges, or yoga poses during your favorite show. This way, you combine entertainment and fitness. Tip number 3. Engage in activities that promote multitasking abilities. Engage in activities that stimulate your brain and enhance your capacity to juggle multiple tasks. Memory or word games. Playing these games can improve your cognitive flexibility and problem-solving skills. Learn a new language. Use language apps or online courses. This not only helps in language acquisition, but also enhances your brain's ability to switch between tasks. Practice playing an instrument. This activity requires coordination, concentration, and multitasking between reading music, playing notes, and keeping rhythm. Tip number 4. Reflect and celebrate your progress. Reflect on your progress and celebrate your achievements. Mastering multitasking is a continuous journey, and recognizing your small victories keeps you motivated. Keep a journal, track your daily tasks, and note how multitasking has improved your efficiency. Reflect on what worked and what didn't. Set milestones. Create small, achievable goals related to multitasking and reward yourself when you reach them. Stay curious. Always look for new and innovative ways to optimize your daily routines. Experiment with different techniques and tools to find what suits you best. Tip number 5. Embrace the art of multitasking. Embrace the art of multitasking with everyday objects and transform your life into a seamless, efficient, and fulfilling experience. By repurposing household items, combining tasks, engaging in brain-stimulating activities, and reflecting on your progress, you'll discover a new level of productivity and satisfaction in your daily life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest tips and tricks. Until next time, stay efficient and keep multitasking.